Have you ever heard the phrase, "We are made of stardust"? It sounds poetic, almost magical. But here's the truth, it's not just poetry. It's real science. The human body is literally made of stardust. Every atom in your body once came from a star. Let's explore this cosmic connection. Our bodies are built from elements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, iron, sulfur. These elements form our bones, muscles, and blood. But where did they come from? Not from Earth itself. Their origin is much older, much more distant. Billions of years ago, the universe was born in the Big Bang. At first, only hydrogen and helium existed. Simple gases filled the cosmos. There were no stars, no planets, no life, just darkness and gas. But then gravity began to work. Clouds of hydrogen collapsed. They grew hotter and denser, and the first stars were born. Inside those stars, nuclear fusion began. Hydrogen fused into helium. Helium fused into carbon, oxygen, and heavier elements. Stars became giant furnaces. They cooked the ingredients of life. The longer they burned, the more elements they created. But there was a limit. Small stars could only make lighter elements. Massive stars made heavier ones, like iron. And when those stars reached their end, they exploded. A star's death is called a supernova. In that explosion, enormous energy is released. Temperatures soar higher than in the star's lifetime. In those moments, even heavier elements are forged. Gold, uranium, iodine, all created in a flash. The explosion scatters those elements across space. They mix into clouds of gas and dust. That dust is literally stardust. Over millions of years, stardust clumps together. It forms new stars, new planets, new systems. One of those clouds eventually became our solar system. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was born. Made from stardust left behind by ancient stars. Every rock, every ocean, every mountain stardust. And eventually, life emerged. Life used those elements to build itself. Hydrogen and oxygen became water. Carbon formed complex molecules. Nitrogen built DNA and proteins. Iron became the core of our blood. Calcium became the frame of our bones. Stardust shaped every cell of our bodies. Right now, your body contains billions of atoms. Most of them were forged in ancient stars. Some atoms are over 7 billion years old. That means they existed before Earth itself. You are older than the planet you live on. Think about the iron in your blood. It carries oxygen to every cell. That iron was born in a dying star. A supernova exploded, scattering iron dust. Billions of years later, that iron became part of you. When you take a breath, stardust helps you live. Think about the calcium in your bones. It gives strength and structure. That calcium was also born in stars. Without it, you wouldn't stand. Stardust is your skeleton. Even the oxygen you breathe comes from stars. Not just from trees and oceans today, but from the very first stars that created oxygen. They died, spread it, and passed it to Earth. Every breath is a gift from the cosmos. When Carl Sagan said, "We are star stuff," he was right. Our entire existence is a cosmic inheritance. The universe gave us its ashes, and we became alive. This truth changes how we see ourselves. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe, made conscious. A way for the cosmos to know itself. Every heartbeat is a star's memory. Every thought is stardust dreaming. It also connects us to everything around us. The trees, the oceans, the animals. They are all stardust too. Every living thing is made of the same cosmic material. That means we are truly family. Stardust is a reminder of unity. We often divide ourselves by race, by nation, by belief. But science shows we are the same. Our atoms don't know borders. They only know stars. This perspective is humbling. You are small compared to the universe. Yet you are also vast, because you contain its history. The atoms in your hand once shone as light in the sky. Some people find comfort in this. When you feel insignificant, remember your origin. You are not just human. You are cosmic. Others find inspiration. If we are stardust, then we carry the potential of the universe. We can explore, create, and imagine. Just as stars created atoms, we create meaning. Scientists confirm this with evidence. Spectroscopy shows elements in stars. Meteorites reveal cosmic dust identical to our bodies. DNA and proteins require stardust elements. This is not philosophy, it is physics, chemistry, biology, all pointing to one truth: you are stardust. Let's go deeper. Hydrogen in your body came from the Big Bang. It's the most ancient part of you, older than any star. Carbon in your cells came from stars. Oxygen in your breath too. Iron in your blood from supernovae. Gold in your jewelry from neutron star collisions. You are a collection of cosmic events. Every atom tells a story, a journey from chaos to order, from stars to life. You are the storyteller of the universe. So, the next time you look at the night sky, pause. Those stars are not just distant lights. They are your relatives. They share your essence. They made you possible. This truth also shapes our future. As we explore space, we return home, to the stars that gave us life. Colonies on Mars, bases on the moon, They are not new frontiers, they are reunions with family. Our destiny is tied to the stars, because we are their children. When you touch your skin, remember, these atoms are ancient. They traveled billions of years to become you. They will outlive you too. When your body dies, the atoms remain. They return to Earth, to the air, to the cosmos. One day, they may become part of another life, or even another star. That means immortality is real in atoms. You will always exist, in one form or another. A star gave birth to you, and one day, you will give back to the universe. Think about that connection. Life is a cycle, not an accident. Stardust flows endlessly, through stars, planets, people. Even your emotions are cosmic. Love is stardust caring. Curiosity is stardust questioning. Hope is stardust dreaming of tomorrow. Science reveals beauty, but beauty doesn't erase mystery, it deepens it. Knowing you are stardust makes the universe more meaningful. You are not just in the universe is in you. The next time you see a sunrise, remember, the light you see is the same process that made your atoms. Fusion in stars continues today. The cycle goes on. We study the stars not just to understand them. We study them to understand ourselves. Our cosmic story continues. Every discovery adds a new chapter. And the greatest discovery is this. We are the universe, made alive. We are stardust is not metaphor. It's literal, measurable, undeniable. It connects science with philosophy. It connects past with future. So, who are you really? You are hydrogen from the Big Bang, oxygen from ancient stars, iron from supernovae, carbon from cosmic furnaces, gold from colliding neutron stars. You are the cosmos in human form. That is why life is precious, why every breath is sacred, why every person is a miracle of physics. When you look in the mirror, see a star, because that is your true reflection. From stardust you came, to stardust you will return, and in between, you live, love, and wonder. That is the story of Stardust. That is the story of you, and that is the story of us all. The universe became aware through us, and we are Stardust, looking back at the stars.